Hello everyone. Chromatography and spectroscopy are widely used in pharmaceutical analysis. Mass spectrometry is also getting important for routine analysis. However, in Shimadzu, we have many more unique solutions beyond these, which can help you at various stages of R&D, manufacturing, process monitoring or quality control. I am thrilled to show you how you can achieve Tech-celeration. That is, use our technologies to accelerate your progress in the pharmaceutical field. I will take you through some of such interesting products from Shimadzu and meet some of our experts. Let's go. Say hi to my teammate here, Yang. What do you have in store for our audience?
Hi Praveen, this is Shimadzu's online TOC analyzer, TOC-1000E, that is designed for ultra-pure water applications and monitoring. Did you know that the demands for quality control are getting stronger for purified water in the pharmaceutical industry? This is because the US Pharmacopoeia specifies that total organic carbon should be used for the management of organic impurities in ultrapure water. And that is why Shimadzu developed the TOC-1000E to satisfy this demand for analysis and to help our customers comply with this regulation.
That's great. This instrument looks small and compact. What are the key requirements for TOC measurements in pharmaceutical? And does this product support these requirements?
According to USP Chapter 643, TOC analyzers used for bulk purified water analysis and water for injection must satisfy the TOC system suitability test using test water with a carbon content of 0.5 milligrams per liter. And because Shimadzu's TOC-1000E has very high sensitivity and low detection limits of 0.1 micrograms per liter, this instrument is perfectly suitable for such applications, and this USP test requirement can easily be met. Many online TOC analyzers use mercury lamps as the UV light source, which is not environmentally sustainable. To combat this, the TOC-1000E was designed to use a mercury-free excimer lamp, and this is the first analyzer in the world that features this technology. Another new and unique technology is the active path sample flow channel that ensures high sensitivity is maintained during long-term use. The instrument has also the world's smallest and lightest TOC cabinet, yet it features a large 7-inch color touchscreen interface to provide exceptional visibility and usability. Depending on the convenience and space availability, the instrument can be installed on a tabletop or mounted on a wall or pole. It can also be calibrated on-site since the vial sampler can be attached to the side of the instrument. To conclude, the TOC-1000E is designed to be easy to use and maintenance-free for at least a year under standard use.
Oh, I see. How about data output, data management and 21 CFR Part 11 compliance? You know, we need to make sure that data is compliant and secure.
Yes, the data stored in the instrument can be transferred to a USB flash drive in text CSV or PDF format. You can also check results remotely from anywhere using a web browser without any special software needed. Additionally, the TOC-1000E is equipped with multiple security functions supporting data management procedures and compatibility with 21 CFR Part 11.
You are right. Thank you, Yang. Pure water analysis is critical in pharmaceutical industry today, and you will need a unique solution for that. Shimadzu's TOC-1000E has the smallest casing, and yet it provides the state-of-the-art technology for you to get fast and reliable results. Now, let's move on to talk to our next expert. Hello TechBang. This is Shimadzu EDX, right? I know that EDXRF can be used to determine the elemental composition of materials in a non-destructive way, and it still provides a high level of accuracy and reliability. But how can be helpful for pharmaceutical analysis? Can you share with us some more information?
Sure. Elemental analysis of pharmaceutical is required to identify harmful elements that may contaminate pharmaceutical product. Right now, risk assessment is a top priority for pharmaceutical manufacturers to ensure that all pharmaceutical products components and their manufacturing procedure comply with the regulation. This is why elemental analysis of target elements is important. It's regulated as per ICHQ-3D and various pharmacopoeia like USP and EP. Many people are familiar with the use of ICP-MS or ICP-AES for analysis. But you can also use alternatives such as EDXRF as well. That is when your validation requirements are met.
Okay, now I'm curious, why would you consider EDXRF if ICP-OES or ICP-MS are available, and what are the benefits then?
Well, for EDXRF, it is a simple tool for elemental analysis, which requires minimal sample preparation. It's as simple as putting the sample in a sample cup for analysis. No solvent is needed to dissolve the sample as in the ICP technique, making it safe and environmental friendly. It is also non-destructive in nature, and you do not need to perform recalibration all the time. Analysis using EDXRF can be completed in a short time, and making it a very useful screening method. Besides, it also has lower initial investment, running and maintenance costs compared to ICP technique. By the way, our EDXRF is also compliant to USP 233, so you can use it for pharmaceutical analysis.
This is good to know. Actually, ever since the recent publication of USP chapter 735 for XRF spectrometry, there has been increased interest in the technique in the pharmaceutical industry. I know there are also some other applications using EDXRF, like analysis of catalyst residues or halogens in APIs. So there's a lot more potential in this technique.
That's not all. Shimadzu also has a wide portfolio of high-end material characterization instruments, such as scanning probe microscopy, SPM, electron probe microanalyzer, EPMA, X-ray diffraction, XRD, and X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy, XPS. All these products are useful for research in pharmaceutical segment and caters to various applications.
I see. Thanks a lot, TechBang. If you are interested in our EDXRF, XRD or XPS solution, come talk to us later in the chat room. Now, let me bring you to discover the next solution. Here we go. Hey Zenao, what do you have for us today?
Hi, I'm going to show you our solution for thermal analysis. Here is our DSC-60 Plus series, the latest and most frequently used differential scanning calorimeter model. Shimadzu also offers DDG-60 series, which is the differential thermogrammetry analyzer, and TMA-60 series, the thermal mechanical analyzer. I'm excited to share that our thermal analyzer offers unmatched flexibility in material characterization with either complete standalone functionality or simultaneous control of up to 4 units using the LabSolutions TA software. The LabSolutions TA software features an innovative design and enhanced functionality which allows for intuitive operation and data management. And as part of the LabSolutions family, this software is network compatible.
It's interesting. DSC-60 Plus looks a fantastic product. How they can be used in the pharmaceutical industry?
Well, the differential scanning calorimeter, or DSC, is used to identify API or excipients. It can also be used to measure melting point, enthalpy, and glass transition of the pharmaceutical products. And from there, you can determine several aspects of quality control, including sample purity, solvent determination, polymorphism studies, and quantification analysis. The DSC can also be used to identify and characterize the plastic packaging material used in pharmaceutical industry.
Wow, that's great. But how does it uniquely address the key requirements in the pharmaceutical segment?
Well, the DSC Plus series provides high sensitivity, low noise, and a really stable baseline across the temperature range of -140 to 600 degrees Celsius due to its unique furnace construction and detector. Apart from that, automated analysis can be conducted using the DSC-60A Plus model with a sample built-in compact auto-sampler. Our informatics solution, LabSolutions TA software, combined with LabSolutions DB or CS Manager, provides advanced security and user management functions, and of course offers the tools necessary for compliance with electronic record, and electronic signature or ERES regulation, such as FDA 21 CFR Part 11, PICS, GMP, and so on.
It's a nice summary about Shimadzu thermal analyzers. From TOC to EDX and DAC60. These are the unique solutions that Shimadzu bring to you for Tech-celeration. You can use our technologies and accelerate your progress in the product inspection and quality control processes. By the way, we offer so much apart from these instruments. Let me give you just a glimpse of few more products. Particle size analyzer is a critical to evaluate the particle size distribution of pharmaceuticals. Here, Shimadzu's laser diffraction based technology with a wide range of sampling units enables you to directly measure dry powders, suspensions, aggregates, and even nanoparticles. Here is our Shimadzu's universal testing machine EasyX. It can be used to determine the compression strength of pills and tablets, evaluation of packaging material strengths, or peel strength of adhesive bandages.
Excellence in science. Shimadzu.